Good morning viewers, welcome to JM Bakers Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to produce cheese and garlic bread. So this is a snack type of bread what we are going to produce today. So the raw materials required for this cheese and garlic bread is 250 grams of flour, 25 grams of sugar, 5 grams of salt, 5 grams of yeast and 2 grams of milk powder, 25 grams of butter or bakery margarine, 150 ml of water, and we are going to have some onion filling, cheese. We are going to have cheese, and we are having olives, green olives. See, these are the ingredients which we are going to use for our cheese and garlic bread. Now I will show you a mixing. I am going to add 100 ml of water retaining 50 ml, and I am going to add sugar, and I am going to add yeast, and I am going to dissolve the sugar and yeast solution. Now watch carefully. I am going to do a kind of a sponge and dough method. I am going to add only the flour. Remember, I have 50 ml water, 5 grams of salt, and the bakery fat is remaining with me, which I am going to mix after half an hour. Now I am going to soak this dough for 30 minutes. When I soak this, is known as a first soak. I am developing a kind of a sponge. When you do it like this, you will find your bread is relatively soft compared to other type of breads. So viewers, now after half an hour, the resting, the bread dough will be of this consistency, kind of a rough consistency. Now I am going to add the salt and the fat, and now I am going to mix the dough final. So viewers, now the dough is ready. I am going to put a little bit of oil on the table and remove the dough. The dough consistency will be like this, slightly slack. For another 10 minutes I will cover it. So viewers, now I have the dough. It is almost 480 grams, which I divided into 2 doughs like this. And now I am going to shape them into a garlic bread. So I take small quantity of dusting flour and use my rolling pin. Make it like a, this also toss it like this. So it is almost round in shape. Now I am going to take the filling of this, whatever filling you like. I am going to use onion, potato. I am going to use onion and tomato filling, and just I am going to close it like this. And I will put it on the tray. So this is one turnover. Now I am going to score the bread. So that it will be easy for you later to pull apart. So I am going to proof the bread for another half an hour, or when the bread comes to double the size, then I will bake the bread. Cheese garlic bread, which cheese I am going to grate and garlic I am going to put, and also we are going to add some olives. So viewers, now I want to show you the cheese garlic bread is proven nicely. Now I am going to cover the bread with the egg wash. If you don't want to use the egg wash, you can very well use milk and little bit of sugar. This is to give you a more appetizing color to your bread. So since I have scored the bread before, it is ready and it's split nicely. And when you are applying the egg wash, be very gentle. So after adding this, now I am going to do some garnishing for this garlic bread. So we have some olives. I'm going to strips like that, put it on top of the tomatoes just for decorative purpose. And now I am going to use some onion flakes. And ginger garlic powder to taste. Okay, my ginger garlic bread is ready. Now I am going to bake it at 200 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. So viewers, beautiful garlic cheese bread is ready. So viewers, feast your eye, a beautiful garlic bread is ready with the cheese, tomatoes and onion flakes. It's a soft type of a snack bread. I welcome all of you to J Bakers Academy YouTube channel.